So is a $15 frying pan as good or better than a $150 frying pan? Hi, I'm Jordan Hutchinson from Best Reviews, and I fried an egg in three different pans at three different price points, from Carote to Caraway to T-fal. And we're gonna let you know, are these three pans worth the money? So as a home chef, I cook daily, right? And I've always loved making things like eggs and chicken and different proteins. And so when I didn't have a nonstick frying pan, cooking eggs was kind of stressful, right? Because things were burnt on all the time and stuff like that. So getting something that's nonstick and getting the right frying pan for what you're using is vital. So with these three different frying pans, we've tested their nonstick ability and especially specifically how to make an egg. So we have the Carote nonstick frying pan. This one is super popular on Amazon. It's $14.99. It's hard to complain about that price. I think it is probably one of the most reasonably priced pieces of cookware I've ever bought. It works well. It's reliable. It's not going to give you, the most features. It's easy to use. It holds heat well. And honestly, for most introductory chefs, most people in their first apartment or their first home, this is a great buy. And it's hard to beat that price. And then in our middle tier, honestly, the best for probably most people is the T-fal. It's the ultimate hard anodized nonstick fry pan. So this one comes in at $55, which I think is right about the sweet spot for price point. I love this pan. I think it's really easy to use. It looks iconic. Once you look at it, you go, oh, I feel like I've seen that pan before. It comes with a nice glass lid, which is great. So if you're steaming vegetables, if you want to do some sort of stir fry, or you want to cover your food and make sure that it heats internally, great. This pan works. Honestly, day to day, this is probably one of the better nonstick fry pans you can get. Now we have our ultra luxury option. It's the Caraway ceramic nonstick fry pan. So this one has a ceramic interior. You can instantly feel it, right? It's a smooth, it's almost like a porcelain feeling interior. Now, it's $150. So that's the disclaimer. It's expensive and it feels expensive. It's heavy, it's solid, it's really easy to use. Now that's the thing is you crack an egg in it, it immediately can slide around the pan. Cleaning is even easier. You can take a dry paper towel, wipe it out, it's completely clean, like it's never been used. It works and feels like an ultra luxury pan. This pan, it's ultra reliable. You're not going to be upset that you spent the money, but you do have to realize it's 3 times as much as even our middle pan, and it's 10 times as expensive as the other pans on this list. The price does not necessarily determine the longevity of the pan. Honestly, maintenance and upkeep is going to be more important. Don't use abrasive materials on it. Don't use, maybe a metal spatula on a gentle nonstick pan. But with that said, the Caraway is made with nicer materials. So there's no doubt that that's going to last longer than something that was, the Carote where it's just $15. While longevity and durability might not correlate with price, honestly, food quality really does. Now, I'm not saying you can't make a good meal in the Carote pan for $14.99. That's not what I'm saying. I am saying, on average and more consistently, things are going to sear better in the Caraway. They're going to turn out better. It's going to be easier to manipulate heat and maintain certain heat levels the more you spend. That's what I really noticed with the Caraway pan is it is so easy to cook with. I mean, the food comes out and it is beautiful and it tastes good, but it's just easy to use. And I think that's the ultra luxury. You can pick it up and just swirl your food around. The coating is so effective. You're going to be able to make better meals if you're a more skilled chef in nicer equipment, just like you would in almost any other aspect of life, right? So at a certain point, you sort of do start seeing diminishing returns with these pans. I think if you're willing to spend the $55 on the T-fal, I think you're going to get everything you need. I think you're going to be able to get good quality, good non-stick, easy to clean, easy to maintain. I think if you want to spend some extra money and have one that looks and feels nicer, that's great. You can spend the extra money and get the Caraway. But I'm not sure that the Caraway makes food way better than the T-fal does. I don't think it's $95 worth of a difference. But I think once you get over that $55 price point, everything beyond that is sort of, you're searching for a specific brand or a specific look, which, to each their own. I think the average home chef, the one they would most appreciate would be the T-fal. It's really hard to complain. It's reliable. It's easy to use. It's from a brand that makes really good kitchen equipment and cookware. I think for most people, that's going to be their favorite and the one that makes the most sense. Now, if you're a home chef, you cook 4 or 5 nights a week, you really have a passion about cooking, you want to kind of invest a little bit more. I think the Caraway is going to be the best fit. So the biggest difference between the Carote at $15 and the Caraway at $150 is the quality of the coating, of the non-stick coating. So things slid around pretty easily in the Carote, but not even remotely close to how well it did in the Caraway. The Caraway, like I said, it almost feels like porcelain. I cracked an egg into it and immediately, even as it was starting to adhere, it was smooth, it slid around no problem. I mean, the non-stick, it's so effective. So which one fried the egg the best? Honestly, at the end of the day, it was the Caraway, and it was worth the money. I cracked the egg into it, and the second it cracked into the pan, the egg, looked beautiful, right? I mean, it just looked really nice in the pan. It looked like I was almost doing a professional shoot, and right behind it actually was the T-fal. I didn't think it was that much different. And then the Carote was a bit of a jump down in terms of quality, but the Caraway was the best egg that I was able to make. The T-fal was pretty darn good, and then the Carote, it was solid, it was reliable, and it did a fine job. Once again, I'm Jordan from Best Reviews. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, and let us know. Are there any other pans that you want us to cover?